Hello, hello, hi everyone. Hey, how you doing? Long time no see. I know. If you are new to my channel, I'm Mocha Moizelle, and I am documenting my process of looking for land in Jamaica, or a piece of property or what have you. So I'm starting a series. I've been in Jamaica for almost 4 years now, and I am just now starting my um, journey trying to find somewhere to live out here permanently because I have decided that it is home. I am currently in Spanish Town, Jamaica, which I'll probably only be here for a few more months. But anywho, welcome if you're new. So I actually went to go see a piece of land that was recommended to me by one of my subscribers. Thank you, shout out to you if you're watching. For some reason, I'm having issues with that video, and it's actually been a while now since I made that video. It's been over a month, I know. But I've been having issues. Hopefully, I'll get it sorted out and I can upload that video and show you all the piece of land that I went to look at. And I've only went to go see one piece of land so far. So now I am currently in the stage of the paperwork process. So I am looking to see if I can get pre-approval for some things so I can have a more realistic sense of what my budget is, what my capabilities are. Um, I definitely know I want to be in a rural country, mountainous area. That I know. Um, I would love to be in some proximity to a river, but I definitely know that I am wanting to be in a mountainous region. So I am going to take you through some of the things that I have had to prepare for so far. I would not be showing you my documentation because it's private, but I will try and let you know what I have been in discussion with people for. Let me pull up my list. So, for starters, you will definitely need a TRN. If you do not have a TRN, for those of you who are not of Jamaican descent, you're not familiar, that is kind of like the U.S. Social Security number, basically. It keeps track, it's your identification, keeps track of you and things out here. So I got a TRN like the first few days I was here, so I've been having my TRN for years. All right, so you will definitely need that. You can try and apply for it online if you want, but I got mine while I was here. Go on the text line, stay on the text line. Get your TRN. So you will need your ID, your TRN. Have been submitting my Jamaican driver's license, so that's what I've been using. Um, a proof of address. So because I live out here, I've been out here for a while. I submitted a JPS bill, and this last person I've been speaking with, this mortgage broker, is requesting a my last 3 months pay slips. Okay, so I had to submit last 3 months paychecks, pay slips, pay stubs. All right, they call them pay slips out here for the most part. Proof of address. Now, if you are not living here, I'm assuming that you will need to submit. You will use the identification that you would use for wherever you are. So your ID, driver's license, or whatever, you will submit that because I've been out here and I have all of my stuff. That's what I've been submitting. But if you're overseas and you're looking at this and you're interested, you're going to need some type of proof of address. So I don't know because my income is based from overseas. I do not know if they're gonna tell me if I need to submit anything additional. I know previously when I have been I've been looking at vehicles, and they are saying that I would need something that I would need. They do a they that I would need to submit my credit report. Now, I don't think they will do a credit check because that's more of a U.S. thing. I don't think they have access to those systems, but they will ask you to supply. So you will have to bring a copy of your credit report. That's what I have been told. This mortgage broker that I have spoken with has not yet asked me for that. I don't know if he will because I've been submitting my Jamaican stuff. So I don't know if he's going to ask me for that or not, but we will see. The process is a bit different if you are not a Jamaican resident and your income is not based here. So we're going to see. I don't know. Be prepared for that if you're interested. They also do a credit bureau consent check out here. So I had to do like a little form asking for a credit bureau consent for them to, I guess, check my credit out here in Jamaica. I don't have anything out here really. So I guess, they're checking Jamaican credit, and because I'm also from overseas, they might ask me for my US credit report. All right. So that's what I have submitted so far. So I have spoken with some people previously. They will possibly want to see like my banking statements to accommodate my checking statements, and I think maybe a job letter or something like that. I'm not sure. So I think that has been what has been requested of me so far. And this is what I have submitted recently. So what I have submitted recently was my ID, my TRN, proof of address, which was a light bill, and my last three pay slips, and a credit check for them to check out here in Jamaica. So I submitted my documents to one person so far. I've been in contact with some other people, but I haven't gotten a response. So I probably will submit. I'm gonna see if I can find one other bank and try and reach out to them and contact them and submit my things to them. And we're gonna see how this goes. So wish me luck. So I've only been to actually visit one piece of land so far. It was I made a trip to St. Thomas, I believe. I know I don't wanna, I don't wanna be in the bush. I don't wanna be like where lots of people are, where it's like a lot of traffic and stuff, but I know like they're trying to build up St. Thomas, and I actually just wanna be kind of just far, like somewhere very, I don't want like a lot of. I don't want to be like where like a lot of traffic and people and all that stuff is. I want to have access to it if I need to go, get some things and stuff like that. But I don't want to be um, in the midst of things. Like I just don't want to deal with the hecticness of it all. I like the peace and the serenity and the views and being in nature and all that stuff. So that is what I prefer. That is what I am hoping for. So if you have any tips, if you have anything to help me out, if you feel like will be helpful, I would appreciate it. It's been hot. I can't run the fan because y'all won't be able to hear me. But whoo, child. Yeah. So that is my current update. That is where I am. I have not heard back from the last place that I submitted this information to. I'm going to try another place probably tomorrow and see how that goes. And that is where I'm at so far with this process and in this journey. All right, so thank y'all for watching. I'll just give my little update. Um, can't really go outside. It's noisy. It's traffic. I kind of hate I'm in this like, I'll give y'all this bland background. But this is what I got for now. All right, so hopefully if I get up in the bush, I have a nice, beautiful, scenic area to do videos from and y'all can see. But this is what it is for now, and thank you so much. I have recently reopened my. I have a way for you to support the channel if you want. I think what do YouTube call it? You can support the channel if you want. If you want to have like, I'm not guaranteeing anything, right now at the moment. But if you just want to support, you can sign up for the join. I'll also see if I can find a link and put it there if you just want to join, if you just want to support the channel and my efforts. I greatly appreciate it. Yeah, so How have y'all been? What's going on? Let me know what's new. I'll also put a list of things, list of documents in the description if you are needing them. But yeah, those are the things that are needed if you are looking to start the process of purchasing some land or house out here in Jamaica. I do not have anything say. I do not have a large amount of money. I don't have nothing saved. I'm going through the mortgage process through the bank. Yeah, that's what it is for me at this point in time in my life. So yeah, I'm just hoping to get like a little piece of land and build something on it. From what I've seen, I don't think I want to get anything that's pre-built. I'll just rather build something to my liking. I actually have been looking at a lot of eco houses, but anyway, we'll see. All right, so that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below, and yeah, share this video or not. I don't know. It's up to you. But see y'all later. Have a good day. Bye.